Welcome to Navyuk Pragati, Navyuk School Educational YouTube channel. Today we will be doing math from class 3. Our chapter for today is chapter number 12. Our chapter's name is Can We Share? The learning objectives of our chapter are that students will be able to understand the concept of division and students will be able to apply and demonstrate the concept of division. Before moving on, we know the concept of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So today we will learn about division. This is the sign of addition, this is the sign of subtraction, this is the sign of multiplication, and this is the sign of division. But let us move ahead with the concept of division today. So there is an activity here. We'll try to understand the concept of division through this activity. You can see there are leaves and there are caterpillars on these leaves. So question here is how many caterpillars are there in total? What we are going to do right now is we will count that how many caterpillars are there in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So there are 21 caterpillars in total as you can see here on the screen as well. We will move ahead now. The next question is how many leaves are there? We can see there's leaf 1, leaf number 2 and leaf number 3. So there are 3 leaves in total. Let's move ahead. So our main question here is, let us find out that how many caterpillars are there on each leaf. We have to find out that how many caterpillars are there on leaf number 1, leaf number 2 and leaf number 3. Let's see how we are going to find this out. So the total number of caterpillars are there is 21 and the total number of leaves are 3. We have to see how many caterpillars are there on one leaf. So what we are going to do right now is we will count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leaf number 1 has 7 caterpillars. Let's move on to the next leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leaf number 2 also has 7 caterpillars. Let's move on to the last leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so all the 3 leaves have 7 caterpillars on them, right? Let's try to understand this. So there are 7 caterpillars on each leaf we counted. But instead of counting, what we can do is we can divide also. So when we divide 21, because there are 21 caterpillars in total, by 3, because there are 3 leaves. So 21 divided by 3 is 7, because 7 into 3 is 21. So when we divide 21 by 3, we get 7, which means that there are 7 caterpillars on each leaf. Let's try to understand the concept via next example. Okay, so here what we did was division. Division means to divide or to share. We have already known the sign of division here. This is the sign of division that we are going to use. Let us move on to the next example. Okay, so this is Ria as you can see her on the screen. Ria has 2 friends. You can see her 2 friends on the screen as well. And she has 6 toffees. Okay, so Ria has 6 toffees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ria wants to give these 6 toffees to her friends equally. How many toffees will she give to each of them? We have to find out that how many toffees she can divide these between her 2 friends equally. What Ria will do is, Ria will give 1 toffee to each of her friend. 1 to her and 1 to her. Now, Ria has 2 more toffees. She will give 2 more toffees each to her friend, 1 to her and 1 to her. So, both of her friends have 2 toffees each right now, right? Each friend has 2 toffees now, but 2 more toffees are left because Ria had 6 toffees in total. Ria has already given 4 toffees, 2 each. 4 toffees she has given. Now, 2 more toffees are left with Ria. Let's find out that how she is going to distribute these toffees equally. Out of two toffees, Ria gives one toffee to each of her friends. She will give one toffee to her and one toffee to her. In, so what Ria did here, she divided these 6 toffees among her two friends. There were total number of 6 toffees and she divided it by 2 because there were two friends. So what we get here is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3, or what we can do here is we can check our answer by multiplying 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So here if we divide 6 by 2, the answer will be 3. So, we know that Ria gives 3 toffees equally to each of her friends. 1, 2, 3 to this friend and 1, 2, 3 to this friend. Ria divided these 6 toffees by 2 and she got 3. Now, it is your turn to practice. I know you got this, kids. All the best and thank you for joining in. Thank you from Navyuk Pragati, Navyuk School Educational YouTube channel.